Baby Bath Guide, Putting on Clothes and Drying Babies After Bathing. Part 3. Welcome to our video about drying and dressing newborn babies after bathing, in our comprehensive baby guide. In our previous videos, we washed your newborn baby safely and cleaned him well. In this video, let's learn how to dry and dress our little baby whose bath is completed. Let's start. Following a bath, the steps involved in drying and clothing newborns. In order to get your newborn infant ready for drying and dressing, here is how you should remove them from the bath. Raise your infant out of the water while providing support for their head and neck, and then rest them on their back on a towel that is clean, dry, and really soft. When drying your infant, it is best to do so on the floor so that they do not fall. When you are changing your baby on an elevated surface such as a table, you should always keep one hand on your child at all times. Your infant should be dried off by being wrapped in a gentle towel. The creases in your baby's skin, such as the armpits, the groin, the area under the chin, the neck, and the area behind the ears, should be dried. If your baby's skin is dry, you should apply a cream or ointment that does not include any fragrance to their skin. A thick barrier cream, such as zinc paste, should be applied to the region around your baby's diaper if they have nappy rash. Putting on your baby's diaper is the first step in dressing them. Your infant should be placed in a secure location, such as a bassinet or a cot. Remove the water from the bathtub. It takes practice to bathe your infant, so make an effort to relax and take your time on the task. In the beginning, you might want to begin by bathing your infant while there is someone else present to assist you. It is possible to make the bath less slippery by lining it with a clean cloth diaper or towel. This is something you may do if you are concerned about losing your grip on your infant. Like the video and subscribe to catch other videos. Have fun bathing with your babies until the next video.